Feeling overwhelmed by crypto jargon and concepts? Crypto.com has a free educational platform called Crypto.com University. I'll show you how to use it to become a smarter investor. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Crypto.com University is a library of articles and videos covering everything from Bitcoin basics to advanced DeFi strategies. You can access it for free on the Crypto.com website or through links in the app. The content is organized by topic and difficulty level, making it easy to start from the beginning. It's a fantastic resource for beginners to build a solid foundation without the hype and misinformation found elsewhere online. A crucial pro tip: start with the blockchain basics and security sections. A strong understanding of these fundamentals will protect you from common mistakes and scams. You can't invest safely if you don't understand what you're buying or how to store it. And just like that, you can educate yourself for free with credible resources. Using Crypto.com University turns confusion into confidence. What crypto topic do you find most confusing? For your final question, subscribe for our next video on how to stake Crow on the Crypto.com NFT platform. Thanks for watching.